This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, February 28th, 2013. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model run. So at noon today we have a trough over the eastern half of the country with a upper level feature over the eastern Great Lakes and into New England with a lot of energy there. That brought the snow to the state the last 2 days. We can still see some flurries, mainly in the eastern half of the state today, winding down as the storm finally is moving away. Some partial clearing in the west with highs around 30. And that will even continue here into Friday. The flurries and snow showers will be to our south and east. Temperatures likely in the upper 20s to around 30, maybe some low 30s, with some partial clearing again. Heading into Saturday, we should have more sunshine Saturday than we will today and tomorrow. Highs still roughly in the 20s to lower 30s, warmer west to cooler east. Snow showers and flurries well to our east. Sunday, we start to warm up as the winds turn south and southwesterly. Temperatures likely in the upper 20s north and east to maybe mid to upper 30s south and west, all dependent on snow cover and if you have any. And then Monday, here comes the next storm system, low pressure over South Dakota. A warm front coming through may bring some warmer air that could bring a little bit of rain, but mainly snow will be the main precipitation type with this system. And it starts to leave the area here Tuesday, some light flurries or snow showers. Temperatures cool back down into at least the upper 20s, maybe mid 20s, with mainly cloudy skies Tuesday. Wednesday, we start to warm back up again as the 540 line is moving north and east of the state, so temperatures likely in the 30s at this point, with the winds becoming a little bit gusty out of the south and southwest by late in the day. And then a week from today, we have a ridge over the east, a trough over the west, some energy coming along the base of that trough over the Black Hills and the Northern Rockies, and that'll bring a storm system in that could bring a little bit of rain shower activity to at least the northern half of the state here a week from today. We'll have to see if this continues on future runs, with snow well off to our west. A couple days after that, on March the 12th, we have a system moving across the southern part of the country, another over the Great Lakes, another piece of energy over the north and west with a fairly quick moving flow. And at the surface, there's the storm system we see in the southeast with some rain, a little bit of snow activity across the northern tier of the country, and temperatures more or less around freezing. And at the end of the forecast, on March the 15th, trough axis just off to our west, with a trough starting to develop over the west again. Southwesterly flow aloft across most of the eastern half of the country. And with that, we have a storm system just off to our east with some rain and some snow hanging back around the back side of it. So one thing is clear, it looks like the month of March looks to be fairly active across our area. Looking ahead at the satellite image from last evening, we had the storm system over the Great Lakes and into the Ohio Valley with some snow showers, persistent snow showers at that, over the area. New storm system moving into the north and west. The watch warning map from last evening was a lot quieter than it was yesterday. A few winter weather issues over New England, some flood issues over the south, and some issues over the north and west as well. Going to the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 6 o'clock, showing some light amounts of precipitation around here, maybe 1/100th to maybe 1/10 of an inch, heaviest over the New England states, down the Appalachians, and across the Pacific Northwest.